This is the LEMFO LEM13 Android smartwatch. Does all the typical things that we're used to seeing on an Android watch, including notifications coming from your phone, a robust app drawer with all kinds of apps, your step count information, you name it, it does it. Even got fitness, although it's not integrated with GPS, but it is on the watch. What this does that nobody else does is open up like that, launch a camera app in the background. This is coming up because you can choose more than one camera if you install alternative cameras. When you select one, you've got a back camera right here that is filming wherever you're pointing, and you can rotate the camera around if you like. Not only do you have that back camera here, you got a front-facing camera here. You can have it open for doing selfies. You can lay it down to shoot the sky or the moon. You ever shoot the moon? It's worth a try. And you've got a really nice 1.6-inch screen on this thing, a TPU band, and a very protected back from Mr. Tick's sweat, because all the innards of the watch are basically hidden away behind the shell. It is an innovative new design in smartwatches. It's called the LEMFO LEM13. Check it out.